Sebastian Griffin here. We're at American Construction Demo Day 2023. We're with Dayton Superior. Todd's showing us some amazing wall finish material.
Superior wall finish.
Superior wall finish. Take it away.
All right. This is a new product from Dayton Superior. It comes in a 30-pound and a 10-pound bag. It's just a powder. You add water only. Don't worry about the mixing ratios because most guys, they're doing this day in and day out, just tend to mix it up into a consistency that they like so they can get it on the wall. And this is going to take care of bug holes and form marks and any inconsistency on the wall. The good news about this product is it can be used down to 30 degrees. You can sack and patch with that. And it's paintable within 2 hours. And it is, of course, waterproof. I'm gonna add a little bit more powder down here and get it working the way I want it. Get my blade. This is just simply a drywall blade. This is the way most guys that are doing sack and patching, they like to use these kinds of tools because they're going fast, right? So any contractor that's using this product has money built into his job for sacking and patching, and it can range anywhere from 10 to 25 cents a square foot. So if you can send them time in a one-coat application, you're going to be saving them a lot of money.
Profitability.
Profitability, absolutely. Labor is everything. It's not so much cost of the product, but I will say the cost of this product is very reasonable. And so this is about what it looks like. Kind of looks like a thinner drywall mud when you're all mixed up. And these guys are going to be doing this all day long. Imagine a 1 million square foot tilt-up building. You've got 3 sack and patchers on it. You got snorkels are up on the wall, and they're in a hurry, right? You got to get this building cleaned up, ready to go. You're going to be laying this material on there in a hurry, right? And they're just going. They're going to be taking care of the chamfers, all the little bug holes. Boom, boom, boom. So that's all there is to it. And it's not going to shrink back. And then they're done, okay? They're gonna come back and they don't have to do any more. If they got some high spots or in a spot like on an edge or something, they need to shave it, they can do that within about a half hour. All right, that's all there is to it. See how it's hanging on the end of the trowel, very thick Tropics, so it's not gonna be flying all over the job site. You're not gonna have a lot of excess product use that you're paying for that's not going on the building.
Profitability.
Profitability, once again. And then so if we're working on, edges, chamfers, very nice color, very nice application. See how it's filling up all those really rough spots.
So how long has this been in the industry, Todd?
This product has been out for about 6 months.
Wow, so brand new.
Brand new technology, brand new polymers. I could tell you, but I'd have to kill you.
That's okay.
Okay, all
You
right.
don't have to tell me.
All right.
Well, I appreciate it. So we're here, American Construction Demo Day. With American Construction, they're about efficiency, safety, profitability, and we hit profitability, profitability, profitability. So that's awesome, and we're glad to hear it. So if you want to reach out to American Construction rep and they'll connect you with Todd and his good people, that's what we're here for. That's what we're about. Thanks so much again, Todd.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.